What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all guys are having an amazing day. It is 4th of May 2018. If you are not a subscriber, do subscribe to my channel because I provide this kind of quality video each and every single time, and that's a fact. You might be thinking why I'm in a hurry, because the breakfast time is gonna end very soon. So let's go and have some breakfast. I just finished my breakfast and the time right now is 10 o'clock in Malaysia. I think it would be 8 o'clock in India. So right now behind me, as you can see, there is a swimming pool over there and some big slides and all. So I'll be going right there and playing with my uncle and my sister. So I'll be using these goggles, as you can see. So right now I'll be going there and taking a lap of swimming. So I totally forgot to say that today we will be going to night safari. Basically today we are checking out of this beautiful hotel. So today we will be going Kuala Lumpur night safari. So right now we will be going and enjoying the swimming pool. So let's go and enjoy in the swimming pool. Guys, as you can see, I'm back in my room. So I just took a shower after that nice laps of swimming. So everyone just swim, and there was only a single ride of slide. So tomorrow is gonna be epic because tomorrow I'll be visiting to a water park. So let me get dressed in 3, 2, 1. Guys, as you can see, I totally changed up myself. I just packed my bag because at 12 o'clock today we'll be checking out of this hotel, and the time right now is 11:30. So as I said, we'll be checking out of this hotel at 12 o'clock. So at 1 o'clock we have a pickup vehicle coming over here. Then we'll be moving out of this Genting Highlands and we'll be going to Kuala Lumpur to spend our rest of the holidays. No, 2 days we'll be spending in Kuala Lumpur and the rest of 3 days we'll be spending in Singapore. Yeah guys, but you guys might be thinking why I have a messy hair. So let me change my hair look in 3, 2, 1. Guys, can you see I have totally changed my look? This is my new look. I hope you all guys like it. Guys, the time right now is 12:30 and the checkout time is also 12:30. So right now we are heading out of the room. So our car guy introduced him yesterday in vlog. So he said that he will come at 1 o'clock to our hotel. So he said as soon as you check out, wait in the lobby for him. So as soon as he come, we will be checking out of this. Means we have check out right now, but as soon as he come, we'll be getting into the bus and we'll be going to Kuala Lumpur. I think the powder is more on my face. Let me rub it out. Guys, we are finally checking out of this hotel. As you can see, my grandmother, say hi, 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 hi. So right now we'll be waiting for that guy studying game. As soon as he comes, we'll be hopping in the bus. So and then we'll be going to Kuala Lumpur to explore it more.
1 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾವು 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಟ್ತೀವಿ. 5 ತಾಸು ಇವಾಗ ಮಲೇಷಿಯಾಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಟ್ತೀವಿ.
watch factory, so let's go in and explore. Guys, we finally made out of the watch factory. Inside was all amazing what was there, and I ended up in buying one of them, which is this yellow color watch. I know it is not suiting to my dress because my dress is red and the watch is in yellow color. Don't worry, tomorrow or day after I'll be wearing yellow dress, so it will be get used to that. So right now, as you can see, our bus is over here. So let's get in and go to hotel, huh? Hotel, right? Oh yeah, we are right now we're heading to have our lunch, so let's go. And I totally forgot to introduce the driver because he's not there anymore. It's shipping us. It's a new driver. Uncle, can you tell your name? Name?
Moving.
So he will be taking us around the night tour. And right now we're heading to lunch, so let's go. Guys, we just made together, as you can see it's right over here. So it's beside me, right? Yep. So right now, as you can see, some photo shoot is going on, and as you can see, I think I'll be clicking some photos and posting on Instagram. So do follow me on Instagram, that is DJ_creators. So do follow me on Instagram to stay tuned with me. We just made it to the aquarium of Malaysia, so let's go in and explore it. Due to lack of time, I was not able to show you guys all of the aquariums. Sorry for that. So right now we are heading to the entrance of this aquarium. In order, our driver said that come over there so that he could pick up us easily. So we are heading straight over there. So our taxi finally got over here, and basically we made up to Twin Tower, as you can see. So you guys enjoy the fantastic movie shots, and at the same time I'll be uploading some photos on Instagram, which I'll be taking in front of this Twin Tower.
the badam shop, badam.
We finally ended up in buying some chocolates. As you can see, the factory was amazing. They gave some nice chocolates for us to taste. So as you can see behind me is the bus. Right now we will be heading to our hotel and we will be taking 1 or 2 hour rest, and then we will be having our dinner, and then we will be heading straight to Chinatown. We finally made it to the room. As you can see, this beautiful room. So let's begin with the room tour. It is the main entrance, and to the right of the door we have this wonderful bathroom, as you can see. So here I can see myself. Is it? Yes, as you can see, I can see myself. Here is the sink basin, and unfortunately we don't have here a bathtub. As you can see, it's a normal shower over here, and you know what is this all about. So let's go out and explore it. So to the left side of the door we have some ironing box. Means we have this whole cupboard to keep our clothes, and here we have some ironing box, and to that side we have this small locker. And here what do we have inside over here? Nothing, empty. So you can see I kept my bag over here, and here we have a nice full TV with this 200 bed. Here my grandmother will be sleeping, and here I will be sleeping. And here we have some table to do some of the work, and here is a big ass mirror, as you can see. And I can see myself over here. And remind me of the class over here. So basically, as you also morning I was playing in swimming pool, and I have wetted my trousers. Yep. So it has not dried yet because I've let it finish to dry. So I have started it drying. So behind this curtain is a wonderful view, I think. So yup, it is a wonderful view, but it get even wonderful when it is daytime. We can see many buildings from here, as you can see. So right now I'll explain it later. And right now is 8 o'clock, and right now we'll be heading to Chinatown to buy some stuffs. Main and the most important thing which I will be buying over there is multi-pin. Means a plug with many adapters. So because I have got this many chargers, and in this room we have only one single plug over there, and there is no other plug in this room. So I want to buy this multi-pin in order to charge my all phone, means this vlogging phone, a power bank, and my electric. So right now we'll be heading to Chinatown. Hopefully we'll be having dinner over there. And right now, as you can see, I have almost I have an oily face. So let me wash my face and get ready to visit Chinatown and buy some stuff over there.